Hello fellow aviators. Tonight our lesson for this session will be the density altitude chart. So what we have here is our altimeter setting and our indicated altitude correction. And we will be looking for our pressure altitude using these values. So first we need to take our altimeter setting, which is 28.22 inches per mercury, and take a look at our chart. Do we have 28.22 in our chart? We do not, so we will now interpolate. First we grab 28.2 and 28.3. Then we grab the pressure altitude conversion factor, which is 1630 and 1533. Next, we get the values of the differences of these two, and we divide them by each other. So if you subtract these, you get 0.02 all over. When you subtract that, you get 0.1. Then we multiply it by the difference of these two values, which is 97. Then we get 19.4. Now since we have 19.4, we will now subtract 19.4 from 1630. So once we subtract that, our value is 1610.6. We will then add it to our indicated altitude. So 1610.6 plus 1380 is 2990.6. So for our pressure altitude, it shall be 2990.6 feet. I just want to add, for the case of Cap Zion's lessons, he does tell us to not leave any decimals, so that will be 2991 feet. This is the proper answer. Another example for you guys. This is a similar way on how to answer it. So we have 2,997 inches in mercury. We're going to look for that in our chart. Do we have it in our chart? No, we do not. So we grab 2,992 and 30.0. Next, let's grab the conversion factor, which is 0, and negative 73. So right here, the difference between these two is 0.05 and all over 0.08. Now, I want y'all to multiply this by the difference, which is just 73. So let's grab our calculator. 0.05 divided by 0.08 plus, and multiply it by negative 73. Multiply it by negative 7. Multiply it by negative 73, which is negative 45.6. Now, since we already have this value here, let's plug it in over here, and that will be negative 45.6. Next, we will then plug it into our indicated altitude. Now for our indicated altitude, now to get the value of the pressure altitude, we need to plug this to our indicated altitude. So the answer will be 1396 minus 45.6 all over 1340.4. That is our pressure altitude.